Have a Bradford White hot water heater. The LED is flashing 2 quick flashes with a 3 seconds pause. This could mean a weak pilot or that the control valve is calling for gas. This is a newly installed control valve. Under warranty too, so the replacement was at no cost except for the labor, which is on me. Any ideas? Can the pilot be adjusted?
Welcome to Just Answer. My name is I will do my best to help you with your issue. First, I'll need some more info so I have a more complete picture of your situation. Is the pilot weak? You can't adjust it, but you can clean the pilot orifice. To do that, you'd need to pull the burner, then disconnect the tubing at the pilot burner. The orifice is a small thimble-shaped object that will either come off on the end of the tubing or stay in the pilot burner. You have to poke a very fine wire. We use a micro drill bit through the tiny -0.01 hole, even if you can see daylight through it.
It is a new pilot assembly. Can it be low gas pressure?
Low gas pressure is a possibility. Do you have a WC gauge to check?
I can get one, but what am I looking for there? In inches of water. May have to get the gas company come out and check.
If it's nat gas, then 5 inches WC is typical minimum for a strong pilot.
I will check for 5 inches when I find a gauge. Thank you. Don't know what else to do since everything is new and it cannot be adjusted.
Is the top, only the top 1/4 to 1/3 of the thermopile positioned in the pilot flame so it's heating up properly? If it's more than that or less than that, that could be the problem.
That is good to know. But can it be slid/moved easily?
I don't recall offhand. It is something to check. If it's not meeting those specs, give me the heater's model number and I'll look into it. A picture of the pilot would also help. You can post a pic here by clicking on Add Files next to the Send button.
RG275H6NMM 37,014,988 DN.
It does look like it's possible to reposition the thermopile relative to the pilot flame. However, you need to look at its position relative to the flame while the pilot is lit to know which way to move it or if that's even a possible issue. Also, check your connections. If they look good, I'd try bypassing the overtemp sensor on the access door panel to rule out a problem with the sensor. Do you have more questions?
Let me get back in there today for more responses.
Okay.
Trying to contact the tech who is helping me with the Bradford White hot water heater.
Okay. If you don't have more questions for me, I'd appreciate a favorable rating. This thread won't go away and I'll answer related follow-ups even after you rate me favorably.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.